I have a 5-second challenge for you. Simply hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. Really appreciate that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to turn your regular surgical mask into something similar to an N95, a little bit tight fitting. Let me just show you how tight this N95 actually is. Okay. With an N95, it provides a proper seal around the face. As you can see here, the seal is tight, and as I breathe in and out, you can see how sealed the mask is on my face. So and with the surgical mask, by the way, a word of advice: with the surgical mask, always make sure that you wash your hands before doing this example that I'm going to show you. Make sure that your hands are clean. Make sure that you have a brand new mask. You don't want to do this with your hands already contaminated or dirty. It will not make any difference. So make sure that it's a clean mask. Your hands are properly sanitized. Okay, and always have to make sure that the hard, flexible element is at the top of your nose, because you'll find people that put the other part that doesn't have anything on top of the nose, and I don't know how it works. But anyway, so with with a surgical mask, you can see it leaves gapes in between here, which isn't a tight fit, which allows air to escape backwards when you cough, which is kind of unsafe. With a surgical mask, unfortunately, it doesn't seal properly on a person's face, so it allows air to come in and air to come out. So what we want to do is just to do one thing actually, to kind of like just enhance your mask. The idea is just to enhance your mask, slightly, so it can properly seal your face. All you need to do is have your mask in this way. Make sure the edges are well aligned, and what you want to do is tie the ends of your mask like so. Just tie the ends, making sure that the edges are properly aligned. There we go. One more knot. Okay, there we go. Okay. After you've done this, you need to push these edges inside like so, on both sides like so, and this is what you are looking for. There will be this notch right here that's going to be inside your mask, and it's going to cover this area right here on both sides. Once you're done, your mask will look something like this. Now you can simply wear the mask, making sure that the hard element goes on top of your nose. Tighten it nicely. Put the loops over your ears, making sure that it's sealed on both sides. And just readjust it to fit your face. Readjust it to fit your face, and you can see that it creates a proper seal right there. That's what you're looking for. You want that proper seal, and as you can see, when I breathe in and out, that's a nice tight fitting seal. That's what you want. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I appreciate every single view that I get. You guys are the best. Enjoy your beautiful Sunday.